Muhiga wa unyihu wa kigina uria ukoretwo ugomeire ruhonge rwa githomo bururi-ini ni utanyitwo guthii na mbere na kwihiriria thutha wa thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya kigina kuhithuria ndiri na uhoti wa gukinyaniria mathomo matari marihi kuri arutwo mathukuru-ini ma muthingi na ma secondary.
We don't have the capacity as at now to finance free primary, free secondary, because we have other competing needs for funds. Hence that underfunding. The competing needs, I started with the debt repayment. The reason why probably 5 years or 7 years ago we were able to meet the requirements, apart from the fact that we adopted a free secondary education, was also because that time the debt repayment was low.
Minister wa KIGINA MBADI na MURUNAWE wa githomo JULIUS megwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya githomo kuria mathing'iriirio gutariria gitumi gia thirikari gutuma muigana wa ciringi 16,900 kuri mathukuru ta mbeca cia mahuthiro ma arutwo handu-ini ha ciringi 22,000 iria ciahitukirio ni bunge mubango-ini wa kunyitira mathomo ma secondary.
Unless something happens, the school system will collapse. Minister for Finance says he has disbursed all the money. Could the Minister for Education say, why are you retaining the monies?
And by the way, let us not live a lie. The budget we provide cannot give 22,000 to each child. In Kenya, it is not possible. It is less. If you look at the total budget for the year and you divide by the number of students we have in this country, instead of 22,000, we are funding up to about 16,900 shillings.
Nikumana na murugamo uyu wa bunge mendire kumenya gitumi gia thirikari gukorwo igituma mamilioni ma mbeca kuri thukuru cia maigirira gatagati-ini ka unyihu uyu wa kigina gia thirikari. Guku MBADI endekithitie guturanirwo kwa mithemba itiganite ya mbeca iria ihuthikaga kunyitira mathomo ta NGCDF niguo kuhuthiria thirikari murigo uyu.
The ministry is disbursing funds to non-existent schools and in a very inequitable way when it comes to the spread of this country. You are running a ministry that should be rebranded to be called a cartel.
We talk about Bomet High School, received 50 million. Bomet High School does not exist, but you send this money through Tenwek.
These monies that we have all over the place, we could consolidate them. For example, if you give me back NGCDF, give me 40% that you have allocated to bursaries, give it back to me. It is going to be over 20 billion, 22. Give it back to me.
It is going to disappear to the ministry.
I added to capitation.
Nikumana na gutharara kwa utonga wa bururi riu thirikari yambiriirie guthugunda mubango wa kuhuthira igoti ria VAT kwa ya ngombo ya kunyitira ruhonge rwa mathomo iri ta njira ya kuhuthiria thirikari murigo wa garama ya iguru ya mathomo undu uria ureganirwo naguo na njira nene ni abunge.
Now HELP wants 3 shillings of VAT. Another group would want another certain percentage for PE. Another one will come for other percentages of collection of revenue. This will be a dangerous trend for our country, and we may not have a budget to implement for projects that are there.
We must think of innovative ways of financing our expenditure in this country. Expenditure world over of a country is funded through 2 methods: on budget and off budget. It is not unique to Kenya.
Iguru ria maya MBADI ni ahinyiriirie murugamo wa thirikari kunyitira mathomo guku bururi-ini kuhitukira kwandika arutani makiria, akiuga mari mubango-ini wa kwandika muigana wa arutani 20,000 mweri wa mbere mwaka ukite, undu umwe na arimu a intern 20,000 othe ari iguru ria arimu 76,000 aria marikitie kwandikwo kuma Kenya Kwanza yaingira wabici-ini. Ngirivotera Kameme TV, GITHOMO Wagunya.
Coming back.